I can't forgive you, and soon I'll forget all my shattered dreams. Although you left me with nothing to show my over you. I will shoot these blues. So when you come back around, after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. And you come back around, after painting the town, you see I'm almost over you. Okay, maraming salamat. 5 billion na nakinig sa aking ewan. Parang kay Lolo maganda ng boses ko. Meron na akong $0.001. Okay! Yan. Mag-request lang kayo, guys. Baka makanta ko yung gusto nyong request. Ang inyong mga favorite songs na hindi malilimutan. Hindi nyo malilimutan. Shady the Vlog! Thank you! Ayan. Guys, baka nakalimutan nyo mag-like and share sa aking live. At sa harang, maraming salamat sa harang na hindi mo iniskip. Ayan. O, di ba yan ang nagpa-thank you si Nightbot? Di ba? Pati nang ilok ko talaga.
Okay, pati mo rin let's do it in the fun. Siyempre,
Tapos subukan natin itong Don't Say Goodbye ulit.
Enjoy Xbox.
Okay, Don't Say Goodbye. Cover ni Pops Fernanda. Tinanglong ko lang. Narinig ko lang to sa sa isang live. Subukan natin ng kanta niya. 5 million, thank you very much! Every song on the radio, close my eyes and so personal. Then I saw the time we spent in love. I opened my eyes and you were gone. Suddenly I realized how I love you so. Now I can't survive without your love. Since the day you say goodbye, it's hard for me to say how I wish you'd never go away. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. For you and I will always be in love forevermore. So leave me with just